Let's start learning maths together. Do subscribe, share and like our channel and press bell icon to get notification when we post our new videos. We had discussed the solution of problem from the topic pair of linear equations in two variables. We have solved the problem using substitution method of which is the algebraic method of solving linear equation. Now here we will solve the same problem using graphical method. So in substitution method, out of three methods we have used one method and second one is graphical method. Now we will solve the same problem using graphical method. So the problem statement goes like this: the taxi charges in a city covers of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105 and for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155 rupees. What are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Form a pair of linear equation and obtain the solution graphically. So here getting the solution means finding the values of the variables x and y here. So here before we start the solution, it must and should we have to obtain the linear equations. In previous class, as we have discussed the solution of the same problem using substitution method, there already we have obtained the two equations. So here the same equations once again we have to form. So from the first statement, the statement is for a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105. So distance of 10 km, that means the person has to pay a fixed charge plus 10 km into charge per kilometer, which is equal to 105. This is our first equation. Now second equation is for a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is 155. So again here the fixed distance, the fixed charge is x plus 15 km journey into y is equal to 155. This is our second equation. Now to solve this problem graphically, so we have to obtain the values for x and y. So x and y values, to find x and y value, we have to write the equation one variable in terms of another variable. So we can write 10y is equal to 105, transpose x to the another part, it is nothing but minus x. So we have to get a y value only. So y is equal to 105 minus x divided by 10. Now using this expression, we can substitute x value. For x value we can get a y value. Now let us put x is equal to 5, which implies y is equal to 105 minus, in the place of x we are substituting 5 here, minus 5 divided by 10. 105 minus 5 is 100 by 10. So 10 ones are 10 tens are. So y value is 10. Next, let us put x is equal to 15, which implies y is equal to 105 minus 15 divided by 10. So 105 minus 15 is 90 divided by 10. So which is nothing but 9. So for x is equal to 15, y value is 9. Now we can set up the coordinates here for x and y value. Now come back to the second expression, second equation, x plus 15y is equal to 155. Now we can write 15y is equal to 155 minus x. Therefore y is equal to 155 minus x divided by 15. Now substituting, put x is equal to 5, which implies y is equal to 155 minus 5 divided by 15. So 155 minus 5 is 150 divided by 15. Here 15 ones are 15 tens are. So y value is 10. For x is equal to 5, y is 10. Now next, let us put x is equal to 20. Then y is equal to 155 minus 20 divided by 15. So 155 minus 20 is 135 by 15. So y is equal to 15 ones are 15, 9s are 135. So y value is 9. See here, whenever these kind of expressions for y we get, so always we have to concentrate on the denominator and set the numerator or choose the value of x, so that after the simplification the value appears on the numerator should be the multiple of the denominator. Then it will be very easy for us to get a whole number as a result. So like that, the same way in two cases we have obtained x and y values, the coordinates for x and y. Now let us write blocks for these two. For first equation, when x is 5, y value is 10, and when x is 15, y is 9. Then for second equation, when x is 5, y is 10. When x is 20, y is 9. So here we can observe by here with this coordinates only, we can find out at what point the two lines will coincide each other. So here for x is equal to 5, y is value is 10. The same way in second equation also, for x is equal to 5, y value is 10. That means for the point 5, 10, these two lines are going to coincide in each other. That means these are only the solution. But let us see graphically how they will coincide. Okay, friends, see, this is the coordinate system setup already I have done here. So most important while plotting the graph is nothing but scale, writing the scale. So this also carries marks. So here scale, by observing x and y value we have to set the scale. X values we can see all the multiples of 5, and y values are nothing but 10, 9. So we can write x axis 1 division is equal to 5 units, and y axis 1 division is equal to 2 units. So like this we can set. Now according to this, for x axis this is x o x dash, and y o y dash. So this is nothing but the coordinate system. Now we have to plot the graph by placing the coordinates on this system. So you can see the first coordinate for first equation, that is when x is 5, y value is 10. When x is 5, y is 10. So x and y, the lines coincide at this point. So this is first coordinate. So when x is 5, y is 10. This is first coordinate. Next is when x is 15. Here is 15. So when x is 15, y is 9. So when x is 15, y is 9. So as we have taken y-axis, 1 division is equal to 2 units. So you can observe here, between the 1 division there is a half division. So this is 8. The next division is 10. So in between these two, the half division is nothing but 9. So here we can write when x is 15, y is 9. So here is the point of coinciding these two lines. So this is the point when x is 15, y is 9. So these are 2 points. So this is the graph of linear equation. So it's enough to have any 2 points to draw a straight line. Now we will draw the straight line. Now we will draw the straight line by joining these 2 points. This is the graph of straight line. X plus 10y is equal to 105. Now let's move to the second equation, coordinates. So when x value is 5, y is 10. Again at the same point we get the second coordinate. When x is 5, y is 10. So this is the first coordinate. The second coordinate is when x is 20, y is 9. So when x is 20, y is 9. So to avoid the confusion, just second coordinate. So let's join these 2 points here. You can observe the lines coincide at this point. So this is the second point when x is 20, y is 9. So this is nothing but the linear equation of 10x plus 15y is equal to 155. So these two linear equations will coincide at this point. So let us join these 2 points. So x value is 5 and y is 10. So here we can write the solution. Therefore, in solution, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. The same solution we got while solving the same problem using substitution method. So this is how we can solve this problem using graphical method also. So guys, do like, share and subscribe our channel, and your feedback is most important for us. It encourages us to improve ourselves. So please provide your feedback here. Thank you. Do subscribe, share and like our channel and press bell icon to get notification when we post our new videos. Thank you.